Unpack and take out the toolkit. Remove the front wheel and place it on the ground with the brake disc side facing upward. Remove the front fender. Remove the shock absorbers used for transportation and replace them with hydraulic shock absorbers. Stabilize the vehicle, align the holes of the hydraulic shock absorbers, and then install them. Stabilize the vehicle, lift the rear wheel, and align the holes of the hydraulic shock absorbers. Install the handlebars. Adjust the handlebars to be horizontal and face forward according to the marks. Install the front fender. Remove the front fork protection. Remove the brake pad protection. Check whether the front wheel is complete. Lock the battery with the key, shake the battery, and check whether it is locked and fixed. Turn on the battery switch and move the red switch to I. Press the black button to check the battery level. Unlock the mechanical key lock on the handlebar. Long press the power button for 2 seconds to start up and enter the P gear. Squeeze the left brake lever and the vehicle will enter the normal riding mode. Press the S button to set 3 speed gears, Eco, STD, and Turbo. Headlight button. Left and right turn signal buttons. Horn button. Long press the button to shut down.